Welcome to our new video. Today we'll be discussing the benefits of cloud-based ERP software for businesses. So, what exactly is cloud-based ERP software? Well, it's a comprehensive business management solution that is hosted on remote servers and accessed through the internet. Now, let's delve into the benefits of using cloud-based ERP software. Accessibility. Cloud-based ERP software allows you to access your business data with a stable internet connection from anywhere and any device. Whether you're in the office, at home, or on the go, you can easily manage your business operations. Scalability. Cloud-based ERP software is highly scalable, meaning it can easily adapt to your business needs as it grows. You can add or remove users, as well as upgrade or downgrade your subscription with ease. Cost savings. With cloud-based ERP software, you can avoid hefty upfront costs associated with purchasing and maintaining hardware. Instead, you pay a monthly subscription fee based on your usage, which can result in significant cost savings over time. Automatic updates. Cloud-based ERP software is regularly updated by the provider, ensuring you always have access to the latest features and security patches without any hassle. Enhanced security. Cloud-based ERP software providers invest heavily in security measures to protect your business data from cyber threats. This includes encryption, firewalls, and multi-factor authentication. In conclusion, cloud-based ERP software offers numerous benefits for businesses, including accessibility, scalability, cost savings, automatic updates, and enhanced security. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. You can check out our last video to know the difference between cloud-based ERP and on-premises ERP. Check the description for the link.